Did you know that soaking chia seeds can increase their nutrient absorption by up to 40%? That's because they expand and form a gel, making it easier for your body to absorb all that goodness. Soaking chia seeds before eating has been gaining attention lately, and it's no wonder why. Health enthusiasts are always on the lookout for ways to optimize their nutrition, and it turns out that this simple step can make a big difference. In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of soaking chia seeds and what you need to know before adding them to your diet. From athletes to yogis, chia seeds have become a staple in many health-conscious households. But what's behind their popularity? Whether you're a seasoned health nut or just starting out, it's essential to understand the importance of soaking chia seeds and how it can impact your overall health. If you're new to the world of chia seeds, you might be wondering what all the fuss is about. Chia seeds have been around for thousands of years, originating from ancient Mesoamerica. The Aztecs and Mayans revered them as a superfood, and it's easy to see why. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients including protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They're also rich in antioxidants and have been linked to improved heart health, digestion, and even weight management. With so many benefits, it's no wonder why chia seeds have become a modern-day staple. Chia seeds have been a staple in many cultures for centuries. In Mexico, they're often used to make a traditional drink called chia fresca. In India, they're added to curries and stews for an extra boost of nutrition. With their mild, nutty flavor, it's easy to incorporate them into your daily meals. So what happens when you soak chia seeds? Well, it's quite fascinating. When chia seeds come into contact with water, they form a gel-like substance around themselves. This gel is what allows our bodies to absorb the nutrients more efficiently. It's like a little package of goodness just waiting to be unleashed. When you soak chia seeds, they begin to break down and release their nutrients. This makes it easier for your body to absorb them, and you can get the most out of their nutritional benefits. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in how your body responds to the chia seeds. The texture of soaked chia seeds is also quite unique. They become soft and gel-like, making them easy to digest. This is especially important for people who have trouble with digestive issues or have a sensitive stomach. One of the main benefits of soaking chia seeds is that it increases their bioavailability. This means that your body can absorb the nutrients more easily, and you can get the most out of their nutritional benefits. Soaking chia seeds also helps to reduce their phytic acid content. Phytic acid is a natural compound that can inhibit nutrient absorption. By soaking the chia seeds, you can reduce the phytic acid content and make the nutrients more accessible to your body. When you soak chia seeds, you're allowing your body to access these anti-inflammatory compounds more easily. This can be especially beneficial for people who suffer from chronic inflammation or joint pain. Chia seeds are also a rich source of antioxidants. By soaking chia seeds, you can increase the antioxidant activity and get the most out of their benefits. The fiber in chia seeds helps to slow down digestion, which can lead to feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake. The prebiotic fiber in chia seeds feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. In addition to all these benefits, soaking chia seeds can also help to reduce bloating and discomfort. The gel-like substance formed by the chia seeds can help to slow down digestion and reduce gas and bloating. Now let's talk about some common misconceptions about chia seeds. One of the biggest myths is that they're high in calories. While it's true that chia seeds do contain some calories, the benefits they provide far outweigh the calorie cost. Another misconception is that chia seeds are difficult to digest. While it's true that some people may experience digestive issues with chia seeds, soaking them can help to make them more accessible to the body. Some people might also think that chia seeds are expensive. While high-quality chia seeds might be more expensive than other types of seeds, they're definitely worth the investment. With their rich nutritional profile and versatility, chia seeds are a great addition to any health-conscious diet. Expert opinions and scientific studies have consistently shown that soaking chia seeds can have a significant impact on their nutritional value. One study found that soaking chia seeds increased their antioxidant activity by up to 20%. Another study found that soaking chia seeds improved their nutritional bioavailability, making it easier for the body to absorb their nutrients. With so much scientific evidence backing up the benefits of soaking chia seeds, it's hard to ignore the importance of this simple step. When it comes to incorporating soaked chia seeds into your meals, the possibilities are endless. You can add them to your oatmeal or yogurt for a nutritious breakfast, or use them as a topping for salads or soups. Experts recommend soaking chia seeds for at least 30 minutes to get the most out of their nutritional benefits. You can also soak them overnight and store them in the fridge for up to 3 days. In conclusion, soaking chia seeds is a simple step that can make a big difference in their nutritional value. By understanding the benefits of soaking chia seeds, you can optimize your nutrition and get the most out of these tiny superfoods. Remember, chia seeds have been around for thousands of years, and it's time to bring back this ancient practice of soaking them to unlock their full potential. Don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes and ways of incorporating soaked chia seeds into your meals. If you've had any experiences with soaking chia seeds, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're new to the world of superfoods, be sure to check out our other videos on health tips and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.